Okay, hi guys, Ngaruya here. Let's look at this task. So what you're trying to do here is to try to fill the area of activity based on the area code. So if the area code is MS, we want it to be market stall. If it's IE, it be import export. If it's OA, we want it to be other activities. And if it does not exist, if it's not among those three, we want it to be does not exist. So for this, the first method we can use is we can use the nested if, where we put one if after another, and this is how it works. So we write equals if we want to check if this value of D4 is equals to MS, and we want it to put market stall here. Comma. So how the nested if works, you in the value if false, you put another if there. Double click this, then you put another if here, which should be so if this D4 now equals to IE, want it to put import export there, import / export. Finish that, then we put another if formula here for the OA now. So if D4 equals to OA, equals to OA, for uniformity, let me put in caps, OA, we want it to do this, to write other activities. And if it's not among those three, we want it to say does not exist. Enter. So double click here and you can see it becomes perfect for all of them. And if we change this to any value that is not among those three, it writes does not exist. So it works perfectly. So for us to make this formula a little bit better, what we can do, we can go to the formula tab. Then we can define a name and write area code here. So we define this whole column. So from D4 to the last one, D28, we name it area code, enter that. So when we write the formula now, when we write the formula, write if, now we can use area code, which will appear here. If area code now equals MS, if area code equals to MS, you can just write it very fast. Let me just finish this up. Just copy paste this very fast. I think I need to rewrite everything. Write it here, change this to IE, change this to import. It will change itself. Yeah, / export, comma, comma. We haven't written the if itself. Sorry. First, this is import stroke export. If, what am I missing here? Comma. Oh, sorry, this comma is not supposed to be here. Sorry. It should be equals. Also, this one should be equals. Yeah, it works. So if area code equals to this, sorry, I'm confusing here. Comma, this is the value if true, value if false, logic tests. Should be a comma here. Haven't put one parenthesis, sorry, that was the problem. Okay, let's continue, comma. Area code is equals to now OA. Finish this up. OA, we want it to be other activities. For uniformity, we just put a capital letter here, comma, does not exist. I think it's fine. 1, 2, 3. I don't know if I've done it correctly. It's missing a parenthesis here. I think it's fine. Too many arguments. Okay, let me just check this out. Remember, it's just the same thing. Doesn't have an if. I think it's correct now. Yeah, it's just the same thing that we did for the previous one, but we have changed these D5s to be area code so that it becomes a little bit easier to manage, and it will work perfectly for all of them. If you change anything here, it becomes does not exist. That's one way to do it. The other way to do it is this other method that I've used here of defining the form, the name, is just to make it cleaner, but the other one is also correct. The other way to do it is using the VLOOKUP, which we'll look at in our next example. Just how to do it, but I'll show you how to do it in VLOOKUP in the next video. Thank you. I hope it was informative. See you in the next one.